Don't get discouraged right now.
Yesterday we went a long time before we caught a fish. We started in Joe's Cove first.
Yeah. We passed Joe's. I was like, whew, that's muddy.
Yeah, Joe's was ugly yesterday.
This is muddy too, though. Nothing eating. There gotta be a stupid redfish somewhere. Big trout. 10 pounders. That's the big sow trout. Yeah, it's a big thing in Texas too.
We'll catch an 8-pound trout on the wall.
I want to catch one that's 10. My biggest out of a kayak 7. My biggest out of a boat is 7.
That's still some good trout.
Yeah, solid
Trout. That's solid trout.
And it was right here. I was on that bank. I cast it to that point. Let it fall. 2 pops. Let it fall again. Boom.
Really?
Oh yeah, smoked it. Boom. That trout thud. Set the hook and it was pulling drag, and I thought it was a red all day, the whole time. Man. Never came up till it got next to the kayak, and I shit myself. 2 pounds.
Front of us.
Where?
Over there to the left.
Yep, go get him.
Go get him.
Go get him.
Fuck that, let's go get him. I'm just gonna hold up the motor real quick.
Those birds over there.
Don't worry about your life jacket right now.
Straight ahead.
See where that go?
Go ahead. Oh yeah. All right. Kill it. Catch a fish on the still.
That's a good trout. What the hell kind of bait you? You casting right up. You got one chasing your bait, Jay. Oh, no.
And no tail.
Same fucking bait as you.
No tail. That's a good one too. Oh, real good one. Yep, come on. Thank you. I ain't gotta grab you. There you go. I need to switch my bait. Oh yeah, that one's gone. That one's done. Hell yeah. Look at that. See, you hear him? You hear him croaking? That's a male. Males croak. Only the male trout do that. It's perfect flip. Yeah, only the male trout croak. Oh, shrimp jumping. Saw that shrimp. But I don't know where the trout went. There's one. Yeah, little, tiny little trout. I mean, absolute dinker, please come off. Come on. I hope you hooked pretty well, bud.
Oh shit.
He may keep.
Maybe I'll start taking your fish off. Maybe I'll have used it with something. Oh, there's the trout just hit on the water.
Where?
Trout just hit on top of the water. Y'all fish the birds with the kayak or it's too hard?
No, I'm fishing. It's easier in a kayak, yeah. Oh, I got stuck. I was reeling it. Yeah, look at the shrimp jumping right there. Yeah, it's easier because you just drift. You ain't got to worry about your boat going off.
Right.
Oh, that was a fish? Fuck. Oh.
We have the flippers in the front there. Yeah, it makes it a little bit easier.
That dude stuck it.
Yeah, watch out, Jason. Oh, damn. I was about to I'm about to say, you hit me on one side.
Mm-hmm.
I'm right out the bottom
That dude
of the side.
stuck it, dude. Just, I mean, just stopped it. I was swimming it.
So you just running in?
Oh. Yep.
Yeah, you running in.
That's all I'm doing is reeling it.
Yeah. You want something? I just lost one. I don't fucking keep it. Yeah, fuck it, you catching them, I can't.
Oh, he spit up something. Oh, my bait. Slung that fucker off.
Motherfucker. So you catching them, I can't. I hit the boat when I did that, it hit mine. It's on the red. Here you go, here you go, here you go.
There it is.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good trout.
Got to get in foot position.
Good fucking trout. He's shaking it over here. I'm not.
Oh, he come off. Damn. That was a good trout, too. Damn. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Getting peppered.
Barely running in.
I'm keeping it probably 3-4 inches underneath the water. Oh, God bless. There he is. Hit it again. Little trout. Huh?
I got a trout on.
Little trout.
You got a trout on. You just fucking keep catching it. To keep it trout, yeah. Anybody will put you guys on. From the bird, very much. From the bird. Mike. I guess it's 10 rounds for one. That's the same fucking bait.
Male. Oh, behind him. Shit. May get one. Oh, oh, there he is. Oh, that's a good one.
No, hold on top of Mike. Mike's way behind it. Oh, get that bait in. What the fuck you doing? I'm doing the same thing he's doing. I'm taking the fucking fish. Oh shit. Good fucking trout, right?
Swallowed it.
Watch out, fucking something. You can throw the same goddamn spot he's gonna throw, he's gonna catch a fucking fish.
Where they at? Where they at? Dive one time. Let me see a shrimp. There it is. Boom! That's a fish.
You gonna try it? He's gonna catch a fish.
Yep. Oh!
He's right in him though.
You wait to see it.
Look, he's right in him.
I wait till I see a shrimp. There he is. Look for the shrimp. When you see the shrimp,
Yeah, I just don't want
jump. Oh, he come on. He was little anyway.
Fucking Mike's gonna catch a fish. I don't give a fuck. He can go in our fucking swimming pool if I catch a fucking trout. Oh, probably so. Can't catch a fucking.
Look at him. Look at him. That's a fish right there.
Man, my fucking fiance, she'll catch him. You just put on a shrimp.
They little. This one tiny too.
Not a keeper?
No, hell no. Fucking 7 inches. Shitting everywhere too. Oh, as soon as it hit the water.
I got another fucking fish. Trout too, bouncing this fucking
Little. Tiny.
trout, huh?
Mm-mm. No. 10 inch. About smoked that bird. About smoked his ass. Oh. Oh, got him that time. Oh, if I can make a living off fishing, that's it. Game over. Get off. No.
Mike,
He little.
come on, Mike.
That ain't 12. 11 and a half.
There you go, Jake. What time is it?
All right. Little. Oh my God, since it hit the water. There's a little one too. Maybe. Yep, little. Yep. All right. That was small. That's a fish. It's a fish all day right there. Just reel it. Yeah. Oh, good one. Good trout. Good dark trout. Yeah. We're gonna spin. It's gonna be the back of the boat. And he's moving fast.
My boat's moving slow.
Trolling mode about to die.
Yeah. Still 2 miles an hour, it's good.
Hey!
Fuck you, you ain't calling me fucking bird.